Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I had a little problem. My toaster broke, and I've been shopping for a new one, and I think I found the perfect solution for that problem. This beautiful toaster is by BergHOFF, and there is so much to love about this toaster. I can't wait to tell you about it. First of all, it's pretty beautiful. I love the gold on the silver here. The handles are gold and the knobs are gold, and it looks so nice with this stainless steel. You can see here that the slots are extra wide for you can fit bagels and waffles, and it even has a defrost mode, so I thought that was pretty nice. So you can see here how nice everything fits in there. See these bagels, they're not squished at all, and you can put your bread in there, you can put waffles or anything else that you need in there, and it's nicely toasted. You can also cancel it and they'll pop right back up. It has 6 different adjusters for the toastiness that you want your bread. You can see here I did it kind of lightly, and it turned out wonderful. A little golden brown. My kids loved it. So I think my favorite feature about this is the slide out crumb trays. It keeps everything nice and neat. You can see the lip on that so you're not spilling the crumbs everywhere on the way to the trash. They slide in and out very easily, very easy to clean. That was definitely a plus in my book. Listen to this little clicky clacky of the knobs. So overall, I have been more than happy with this toaster. It's met all of my expectations and more, but that's just my point of view.